Okay, kids, good. I got it. Now I will share my screen. Okay, share. Yes, kids. Okay, awesome.
You won't see if it's recording or not.
It is recording. I see the button.
Okay, kids. Yeah. Okay, without any time waste, we will start our Krishna story. Okay, kids, who will tell up to now how many demons did Krishna kill? Yes.
He
Mm.
killed
5. Can you tell the names? First is Putana, Shekata.
I know it.
Mataji, I know.
Okay. 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 Then who can tell?
And Jyotsna?
Yes, Jyotsna.
Trinavarta?
Yes. Awesome. Yes. Awesome. Awesome. So Krishna killed up to now Putana, Shakatasura, and Trinavarta.
Yep.
Okay. Now we will see another pastime of Krishna. What he is doing in this pastime. Okay. Okay, now without any late, we will start our story. Krishna opens his mouth. Okay, one day all the boys joined Balram to tell Mother Yashoda that Krishna had eaten clay. Mother Yashoda caught Krishna's hand and asked, "My dear Krishna, is this true? Have you been eating dirt?" Krishna said, "Balram and my friends are speaking lies against me. I have not eaten any dirt. If you think they are telling the truth, then please look inside my mouth and see for yourself." He opened his mouth for her, just like a good boy. Then Mother Yashoda saw the most wonderful things inside that mouth. She saw mountains, islands, oceans, planets, air, fire, moon, stars, the whole universe and outer space in all directions. Oh, Krishna, see what is she seeing? She saw mountains, islands, oceans, planets, 7 planets. How many oceans are there? Can anybody tell?
5.
5? 5. Are you sure?
Yes. Yes. I learned in school. Yeah, 5.
There is no Southern Ocean like that. Atlantic Ocean?
There is a Southern Ocean, except it's...
There is a Southern Ocean?
Yeah, it's the ocean next to Antarctica.
Antarctica?
Yeah.
Okay, then Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean, then Pacific Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean.
What is that?
Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean.
South Ocean.
And one more.
Wait,
Arctic Ocean.
Arctic Ocean. See, so there are these many. Okay, you all know how big is ocean, right? So the oceans are seen, and how many planets are there? 7 planets. 9 planets. 9 planets are there.
There are not 9 planets. There's now 8 planets. Because 9 is Pluto, but Pluto's not a planet. It's a dwarfed planet. Yep.
Okay. Okay, kids. As far as I know, there are 9 planets officially declared. So there are 9 planets: air, fire, moon, stars, the whole universe, and outer space. Okay, kids, you should be on mute, kids. Can you be on mute? And then we can listen the story very nicely. Can you do me this favor? Okay. Thank you so much, kids. You're so sweet. Okay, then along with all these things, she also saw herself with Krishna on her lap drinking milk. She thought, is this really happening or am I dreaming? Then, confused, she simply thought of Krishna as her own child in her lap. She hugged him and gave him a big kiss. See, we will see the painting here. See how beautiful this painting is. We can see all the planets in Krishna's mouth. Cows, cowherdmen, Mother Yashoda, the little Krishna. In the sky, you can see there are so many planets. This is inside the mouth of Krishna. How beautiful it is looking. Right, kids? We will move again to the next part of the slide. So this is the, okay, 1 minute, Leela, 1 minute. This is up to here, the story is. Okay, kids, only this part today we have story. Kids, can you remember or can you recollect what is the other time Mother Yashoda saw the whole universe in Krishna's mouth?
He's eating dirt.
Yeah, dirt is good, but previously also she saw one time. Yes, Srilila, you want to tell? 1 minute, kids. Srilila want to share something? Yes, Srilila, sit here properly and share. Yes, Srilila. When he was little.
I don't hear.
Oh, you don't hear? Okay, let me see.
Because Srilila is not close, she's far.
Okay, let me see. Okay, Srilila, yes.
Can I say one? My name's Sanvi. You still can't hear her.
Sorry?
Can't hear.
Can't hear? Oh. No,
When
can't hear.
We can't hear her. Okay. So when Krishna was little, he was playing with his friends, and then Mother Yashoda saw Krishna and Balaram and his cowherd boyfriends eating dirt, and Mother Yashoda said, "Can I look in your mouth that if you're not eating dirt?" And he said, "Look in my mouth." And then Mother Yashoda saw all the planets, all the oceans, fire, wind, water, and then Mother Yashoda hugged him and kissed him.
Okay, kids.
This story.
Yeah, this was, yes, kids, I agree. But other time, yes, Sanvi raised her hand. Yes, Sanvi.
So when the girl that sells mango, he came and Maharaj Nan gave in the old times they didn't use money. Like the seeds of mangoes, they used to give it to the
Sanvi. But selling. Up to now,
so
what?
Ran to the basket and grabbed because he wanted some mango, and he gave it to the lady, and the lady was happy, and she gave him some mangoes, and then the pile of seeds turned into jewelry and pearls and gold.
No, Sanvi, I'm asking, what is the other time did Mother Yashoda saw the whole universe in Krishna's mouth? This was not the first time. Before also we studied in our stories. One time she saw that. Can you remember that time? Kids, can anybody guess or remember?
Is it the time when he ate cream?
Cream.
The time is when the card demon.
Card demon. Card demon. No, card demon. No, you're close, but think
what
again.
Demon? What demon?
Cart demon.
What is? Oh, Putana.
Not Putana.
What is the cart demon? What is the name? Whirlwind demon.
Whirlwind demon. Yes, whirlwind demon. So after whirlwind demon died and he was playing there, Krishna, then Mother Yashoda took her in her lap and she is feeding Krishna. At that time when Krishna opened his mouth, then he saw the whole universe. She was like surprised what I'm seeing in Krishna's mouth. Again that scene was disappeared. And she was covered with yoga maya. Again, she came back to material world senses. That's how when she saw. This time is not first time to her. That is the first time she has saw. Okay, kids? Okay. That there is nothing story. Only picture is shown, Leela. That it is not yet started. Okay, this is not yet started the story. Okay, when the story starts, we can share. Okay. You want to tell something? Yes, tell.
I read this story and it was this they were taking a bath. They suddenly just did so many things like not wearing protection and
this story, if we share at the time, it will be more exciting. Okay. Okay, Shrila. Okay, kids. Now we will move to our next part of our session, that is our tongue twisters. Kids, are you ready? Today is very little story.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, let me share that screen.
I think we're going to have a big tongue twister and maybe more.
Twisters are my favorite.
Yes.
Riddles are my favorite.
I know mine too.
Me.
Did it? You want?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, kids.
We're on riddles, not tongue twisters.
Yeah. Oh, riddles. Okay. Let me go to tongue twisters first.
Actually, can we do riddles first?
Oh, let me see, kids. 1 minute.
I want to do tongue twister first.
Me too.
Me too. It's annoying.
Okay, kids. Okay, we got it. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Can I see?
Yes, let me complete all this, then you can go ahead, Leela.
Okay.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Can you can a can as a canner can a can. A big black buck bit a big black dog on his big black nose. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Okay. Okay, first Sheila like to do, then afterwards we can continue with the participants. Yes, sure, Govinda. Raise your hand, I will call your name.
Mataji? Can I do after Sri Leela?
Yes, yes, I will call out one by one, okay?
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Peter, Piper, picker, a pecker of pickle peppers. Can you can a can as a canner can a can. No, then this was a big. I don't see the other word. Oh, such riddles. I don't. A big black bug.
A big black dog.
Wait, If you like a big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose. Which wrist are watchers? Which are Swiss wrist are watches. Swiss.
To other participants, we see Nehashri. Yes, Nehashri.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Can you can a can as a can or can a can? Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose.
Okay.
Can Govinda try?
Yeah, 1 minute kids. Okay, now I see Manasvi on my list of hands raised. Manasvi.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Peter Piper picked the peck of pickled peppers. Can you can a can as a canner can a can a can? A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose. Which wristwatches are Swiss rich watches?
Very good job, Manasvi. Jyotsna.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Can you can a can as a can or can a can? A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches?
Okay, good job. Okay, I see. Yes.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Can you can a can as a can? Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose.
Okay.
Wait, we couldn't hear him properly.
Yeah, but yeah, it is low, but it's good. Okay. Then Saransh Suri.
Okay. My name is
What is it?
My name is Saransh.
Saransh, okay. Saransh, okay. Yeah, please go ahead.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Can you can a can as a canner can a can? A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches?
Okay, good, Saransh. Okay, then next, Sanvi.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Can you can a can as a can? Can a can? Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Big black bug with a big black dog on his big black nose.
Okay, then Govinda.
Yes.
Yes, now your turn. Go ahead.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Peter Piper pick up pickled pepper. Can a can as a canner? Can a can? Which witches are witches? Which witches?
Swiss wristwatches. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Okay, good job.
A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose.
Good job, Govind. Charit?
Okay. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Can you can a can as a can or can a can? Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose.
Okay, very good. Then Bhuvnesh?
My sister even wants to tell.
Yeah.
Can
Mm.
you can a can as a canner can a can.
Very good.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Can, you can, a can has a canner. Can, a can. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches?
Good job. Good job. I see Rudraban Chaudhary.
Mataji,
Mm-hmm.
after him, can my brother go?
Yes, Jyotsna.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Can you can a can as a canner can a can? Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose.
Yes, Jyotsna.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream.
Can you be a little louder?
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Can't hear you at all.
Can't hear you. It's like Jyotsna. It's like you're far away.
Right.
Can you hear now? Can't hear you too. Me
Go
too.
a little closer.
Come a little closer, and I think you're not.
Okay.
Could you give me a
Kids?
second?
Yes,
Mataji?
yes, Jyotsna. Okay. Meanwhile, kids who want to go next?
Me.
Mataji,
Mm-hmm.
can you
Yes.
hear me better?
Yes. Yeah, now you, yeah. Try Jyotsna. Yes.
A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Can you can a can as a canner can a can? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Very good. Okay. Who are left out? Okay, Anahita, would you like to try? Malini, you want to try?
Yes.
Yes, Malini, go ahead.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Can you can as a canner can a can. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose.
Very good, very good. Okay, kids, now we will move to our next part, that is our riddles. Are we ready?
Wait, hold on.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
There is.
Can you
Yes.
We already did this.
We already did this?
No,
Not for me, because
Yes, no worries. Oh, you're right, kids. Okay.
Because
I never did this, please.
Okay, kids. We will do again. Who know the answers, just be quiet. We will see how kids will answer, okay?
I don't know.
Okay, we can do this again for those kids who did not
And then
come.
we can do today's social.
You can sit in your room on the white.
Okay, first riddle, kids. Everybody should be on mute. I will ask. Okay. First riddle goes to, okay, I will select some names. That will be best. I think, shall I ask? Leela, shall I ask you first? Okay. Leela want to ask. What goes up but never comes down? Leela, yes. What goes up but never comes down? Nobody should tell the answer or leak the answer, kids.
I know the answer.
Yes, but we have to be zip it. We have to zip the mouth. We should not leak the answer. You have to brainstorm.
I think
Mm.
like, you know the trampoline, right? When we come up and we go down, like I think that one.
No, think once again, Leela.
Once you jump up, you are going to come down from the trampoline.
Yeah. Okay, no leaking of answers. We should not leak the answer.
I think it's going to be a bird.
What goes up but never comes down?
A bird
Goes up but never comes down. Bird will come sometimes down, right?
Yeah. The clouds.
Clouds, are you sure, Leela?
They always stay up and never come down.
Fog. But it doesn't go up. It just.
Okay, now I will ask. Okay, kids. Okay, kids. I will ask one more. Okay, shall I pass on this, Leela? Shall we pass on? Okay, we will try one more time. Who will tell? Okay.
I know.
Okay. I will pick the name. I will pick the name. Shush, shush, shush. We should be zipping our mouth. I will pick the name. Let me see. Okay, Tanvi. Tanvi.
Is it 25?
Who can answer?
Age.
Very good. Very good. Who helped you, Tanvi?
No one.
I only told by myself.
By yourself. Awesome, Tanvi. Awesome. Very good job. Thank you, Sheila, for attempting. Okay. Now next question.
The answer.
Okay, next question. Where does Friday...
Mataji, you forgot me.
Who is this?
Manasvi.
Oh, Manasvi. Oh, I'm sorry, Manasvi. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Manasvi.
I thought of a balloon.
Oh, balloon. Good try.
It goes up, but it never comes down unless you pop it.
It will come down when the air is went away in the balloon. When the air goes away. Okay, then Sanvi.
The answer.
Sanvi. Okay, Manasvi. Let's see Sanvi, what Sanvi will tell. Sanvi. We cannot hear you, Sanvi.
What question is it?
Okay, what goes up but never comes down?
25.
25. What is this 25?
Number?
Number 25 goes up and never comes down. Only 25? Only 25? It is limited to 25?
No.
Numbers.
No, only numbers?
Yeah, only
age.
Okay. Let me see. Yes.
Age.
Yes, that's good. Okay, age is the answer. Every day we are getting age increase every year, but it never comes down.
I was raising my hand for age.
Age, very good job, kids. Whoever answered, they wrote in the chat box also. All the kids did very awesome job. So proud of you.
You said that not supposed to chat.
Yeah, but they did write their answer. Good job. Good job, kids. All of you are very intelligent. So next question, we will move to next question. Where does Friday comes before Thursday? Okay, let me see some raised hands. Okay, Jyotsna?
I didn't raise my hand, Mataji.
It is showing a raised hand. Let me lower your hand lower. Okay. Then kids, just I see so many raised hands. Are you ready to answer? I see Sanvi too. Sanvi, Yash.
I'm ready.
Okay, Gopal. Yes, Gopal.
What?
Why you raised your hands then? Kids, don't raise your hands if you're not sure about the answer. Okay, I see Nehashri. Nehashri, do you know the answer?
Is it like last week?
What last week?
Like the answer.
No, this is a question C. What is the question? Where does Friday comes before Thursday?
Is it last week?
No. Yes, Srilila, you want to try?
I think it's Wednesday.
No. No. Where does Friday comes before Thursday?
I know.
Yes, who is this?
Govinda?
Govinda, yes, Govinda.
Yesterday?
No.
Wait, I think I know.
Yes.
Okay. Saturday?
No. Where does Friday comes before Thursday? Usually we get Thursday, then afterwards Friday.
Yeah.
But some point, somewhere, Friday comes before Thursday. Who can tell correctly?
Tuesday.
Okay, kids. It's in dictionary.
Calendar.
Yeah, no, not calendar, dictionary. If we go by dictionary with the alphabetical order, Friday comes first. F, then only T starts, right?
F? No.
Oh, I get
You
it now.
got it, kids?
Me. Not
So
me.
in the alphabetical order, if we go, Friday word will be first. Then afterwards, the word starting with T will come, right?
I know question number 3.
Okay, that is the answer. Okay, so I see some things on the chat box also. Okay, Wednesday after, okay. Next question. What has a bark but no bite? What has a bark but no bite?
Yours try.
I know this one.
Yes?
It's a tree because tree has bark but it can't bite.
Yes, awesome. Awesome, Manasvi. Awesome.
That was me and
Kushi did answer rightly. Then I see Manasvi. Then I see some more A. Who is A? Anahita. Then I see some more tree. Very good job, kids. You are so intelligent. I like your intelligence. Then how many letters are there in the alphabet?
I know.
I have a question.
I know.
100?
100.
100? Are you sure, Leela?
I know.
Yes, who is this?
Me, Rudra. It is 8.
8?
Because alphabet has 8 letters.
Okay.
26. My answer is 8 also.
Your answer is also 8? Okay, I see Manasvi 8.
8.
Sarah Shuri is 8. Shannon Shuri.
I have a question.
8. It is so 8.
Sandhi 8. Rudra 8. Yes. Who had question?
Me and Hita.
26.
Can we have another story because
It's a joke. I know it's 26, but the word alphabet has 8 letters.
Yes, the word, they're not asking the whole letters in the alphabets, but they are asking how many letters are in the word alphabet. That's it.
Get it?
Okay, good catch, kids. Good catch. 8.
I actually won this joke before, so I know.
Alphabet. That's it, Shrila. Okay, only we have to count the letters in that word. That total comes to 8. Awesome, kids. Awesome. Super. Good going. Okay, next question. What can you catch but not throw? What can you catch but cannot throw? Okay, I see some raised hands. No. Okay, who will tell the answer?
I think I sent the answer.
Oh, Manasvi, good job.
I know it because you told us before in the last story time.
Yay, good job, Manasvi. You remembered. Very nice. Who will tell again? I am not clicking the answer. Who is going to tell again? Okay, Bhuvanesh, very good. Good, Tejas, good try. Saran Shuri, good try. Good. Very good.
I sent the answer in the chat.
Okay, then I will tell the answer. Kids who want to tell the answer, not in the chat box. Who are chatting on the box, don't tell the answer. Other people. Yes, Shrila? No, I will repeat again. What can you catch but not throw? No, once again try, Shrila. What you can catch but not throw?
I know it. Can I say it?
Who is this? Who is this?
Sanvi.
Sanvi. Yes, Sanvi.
Sanvi.
Yes.
Is it water?
Can you catch and you cannot throw? You can throw water, right? Good job, Neha. Neha Shri. Good job.
Is it soul?
Mataji, I think I sent the answer for question 6.
Yes. I got it, Manasvi.
Is it air?
No, it's cold.
Cold.
Yeah, we can catch the cold, but we cannot throw, right? Right, that is the answer.
Spread, except that's not throwing.
Yes. Okay, last question for today, kids. What game do cows play at parties?
Eating grass. That's what they normally do.
Okay, normally, but what is the game if they have a cow's party?
Can we give a hint?
Musical chairs. Grass contest.
Grass contest.
Musical chairs.
Yes. Who said musical chairs?
Cushy. Musical chair.
Yay, Kushi, you nailed it. Yay, good job, Kushi. Good job. Yeah, musical chairs. What did the cow sound like?
I was close.
Musical chairs it will play.
Close.
I actually have a question.
The chairs, they're easily going to break.
I have a question.
Yes.
Is it okay if do we have time for another story?
Story, let me see, kids.
I really want to because I wasn't here in last class.
Who is this?
Me neither.
Rudra.
Rudra? Okay.
I forgot to come.
Okay. Okay, kids. Okay, we can do now like it's 6:50. Kids who did not listen to the story, they can stay back, but remaining kids can log off.
Oh, thank you.
I can log off.
Okay. Who want to listen to the story, who missed the starting part of the story, they can stay. Remaining kids can log off.
I missed the whole story, actually.
Sorry?
Now.
Okay, I'm going to start our story once again. Who did not hear, they can stay or else they can log off.
Wait, aren't you going to do today's riddle?
Those were our riddles.
Yeah.
No, this is from other days.
Okay, kids. So I'm going to start our story today. What we read today. So
I kind of know.
You kind of know who is this? Yes. Yes. Okay, kids. So I'm starting the story. Okay. Before starting, kids, did you remember up to now what are the stories you learned? Who can tell the answer?
The demon, the Thinavatra demon, the Karth demon. That's it.
Okay. Karth demon is Trinavarta, right?
The Karth demon, Shatakasura.
Huh? Oh, Karth demon. Okay. Whirlwind demon is Trinavarta. Yes, Gobind. Right, you're. Okay. So these are the demons Krishna killed. Now today we are going to go to the next story. What Krishna is going to do some miracles. This is Krishna. Okay, who is this? Yes, Rudra.
I kind of have know about this. I watched episodes about it on
Little Krishna?
Yeah.
Good. So you will again enjoy reading this story or listening to this
I
story.
really like that part when Krishna turns all those grain into jewels. That's my favorite part.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Now we will see today's story, kids. Krishna opens his mouth. So before starting, kids, did you ever eat like mud or dirt in your childhood?
No.
No? You did not taste?
By the way, I read the story.
Krishna tasted mud.
I watched this story.
Yeah, but Krishna tasted this mud in his childhood time, right? When he is a child, he tasted the mud. So that is the story. Now we will see what Mother Yashoda is telling to Krishna. One day, all the boys joined Balram to tell her mother Yashoda that Krishna had eaten clay. Oh, Krishna. Mother Yashoda caught Krishna's hand and asked, "My dear Krishna, is this true? Have you been eating dirt?" She's asking. She was perplexed. What, little Krishna is eating this dirt every day without me knowing? She was like a question mark. Krishna said, "Balram and my friends are speaking lies against me. I have not eaten any dirt. If you think they are telling the truth, then please look inside my mouth and see yourself." So he's telling to her mother, see, Balram and all the friends are telling so much of lie against me. I did not eat like any kind of dirt, mommy. If you want to see the truth, just, hello? If you want to see the truth, just open my mouth and see. You can check yourself, he's telling. He opened his mouth for her mother just like a good boy. Then Mother Yashoda saw the most wonderful things inside the mouth. She saw mountains, islands, oceans, planets, air, fire, moon, stars, the whole universe, and outer space in all directions. See, Mother Yashoda saw these many things. Can you imagine how mountains are big? Can you tell some kind of mountain name which is very, very huge? Yes, I see 4 participants raise their hands. Okay, Gobind. Yes, Gobind. Okay, Rudraban.
Yes.
Mount Everest.
Mount Meru.
Mount Meru. Okay, Mount Everest. Mount Meru.
In America, it's something like a Mount Everest.
Okay, then Manasvi.
Mount McKinsey.
Mataji, I wasn't raising my hand. I was just doing something.
Oh, I see a raised hand beside your name. Okay, Yash. Yash? Okay, so kids, you are very intelligent. You answered like Mount Meru and like Mount Everest. Mount Everest is very, very huge, right? Mount Meru. So that huge mountain is in Krishna's mouth.
It's
islands. Can you name some islands? Do you know any islands?
Hawaii.
Yes,
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, very good, very good.
I've actually learned about that place. I forgot the god who lives there.
Oh, who learned?
Me. I learned it in Sanskrit class.
Oh, who is this? Me means?
It's me, Govinda. It's Navadvip.
Navadvip islands. 9 islands, right? Then we have Sri Lanka. That is also island.
Navadvip is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu pastime birth ceremony pastime.
Yes. So these are the some islands names. Okay.
Hawaii.
So these islands, mountains, oceans, planets, air, fire, moon, stars, whole universe and outer space are in all directions. Along with all these things, she saw also herself with Krishna on her lap drinking milk. She thought, is this really happening or am I dreaming? Then confused, she simply thought of Krishna as her own child in her lap. She hugged him and gave him a Big kiss. So this was Krishna is showing her universal form like that to Mother Yashoda in her mouth, in his mouth. So we will see a beautiful painting. Kids, I'm getting some noise, kids. Can you be on mute, please?
Somebody is unmuted.
Yeah, kids, can you be all mute?
Eskadal Saha.
It's Kajal.
Okay, see, this is the beautiful picture in the mouth of Krishna, Mother Yashoda is seeing. See how little Krishna, Mother Yashoda, cowherd boys, and there on the space you can see different universes. And when one universe you can see a little cow and we can see little gopis there. The other planets, the sun, moon, stars, we can all see this, right? So this is the picture Mother Yashoda is seeing in little Krishna's mouth. See how amazing. For the picture itself, we are feeling like amazing. When Mother Yashoda saw it really, how she felt?
Amazing.
Yeah, she will be very, very blissful, right? Seeing this beautiful scene in her Krishna's mouth, right? So
Yeah.
Sanvi raised a hand. Let me see. Sanvi, yes, Sanvi?
In one of the bubbles, I don't know what, but I see like a picture of a girl and a cow.
Yeah, that was one of the universe. In one universe, Krishna Lila is going on with little cows, gopis, like that. There are so many universes, innumerable universes, and in those innumerable universes, Krishna's pastimes are going on. In one universe, he may take birth. In other universe, he is killing Kamsa. In another universe, he is teaching Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. So these kind of leelas are going continuously throughout the universes. Yeah, see? So in one universe, this leela is going on. Gopis with cows, they are going to the Vrindavan forest.
And also, this is also one Leela.
So this is one Leela where Krishna is opening her mouth and showing this universe. We see a sun there, moon there, stars, and other planets also. So how beautiful is this? Very, very mesmerizing. Right, kids? So this is the actual scene Mother Yashoda saw in baby Krishna's mouth. Okay, kids. So this is today's story we read. Tomorrow, next week, we will have some very good story again. And kids, I will send some homework activity in the group. But thank you so much, kids. You're all participating with a lot of enthusiasm and you're doing the homework also. So who are not doing the homework, please try to do the homework. You will enjoy a lot.
Oh,
Okay.
you gave homework too?
In the homework group.
Oh.
Okay, don't miss the homework, but I'm sending pictures like connecting dots, everything.
I like connecting.
Okay, I will send today's homework also and join our Sunday's art also. We will do something more exciting in that also.
I take time because.
Okay, if possible, kids, I will do Nitai Padakamala on Sunday and we will tell a story on Nitai Padakamala, Nitai, Gaur Nitai.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, we will tell a story on Nitai.
Bye.
Hare Krishna, kids. See you. Bye. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.